Hi everyone, Zena here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing the Beautique box, which is this one here. This is the second time that I've received this box. The first one I was extremely happy with, so I wanted to definitely keep it going. Beautique is a Korean subscription box that actually ships from the States, but it is all Korean beauty products. The box starts from $22 if you buy a yearly subscription, $23 for a 6-monthly subscription, or $24 if you do 3 monthly or monthly. I think I've done a 6-monthly subscription. I'm not sure, but anyway. And generally speaking, the box is supposed to come at the start of every month, so this is May's box and it's supposed to come at the start of June, but for some reason this one was really slow coming in. I only received it I think on the 12th of June, so only a few days ago. So I've been dying to open it and see what's inside. I did have a quick peek on YouTube to see what the other YouTubers got, so I do know what's in it, but nevertheless I'm still dying to actually touch the products and see them. So let's just get stuck into it. So this is the box right here. Like I said, this is May's box and the theme is Under the Sea. This is the card that shows you what all the products are, and it's actually really helpful because I found that a lot of the time the ingredients and the directions are in Korean on the product, so I've got no idea what they actually do or how I'm supposed to use them. So definitely do keep this, don't throw it away, because you'll find that it does come in very handy. I think I forgot to mention as well that this box does ship to Australia, which is fantastic. So for all you Aussies out there that want to give this box a go, I think there is a little bit of an extra charge, but it's nothing too bad, so it's pretty good. Anyway, this is what the box looks like inside. The last box that I got was very skincare heavy, which I'm not upset about at all. I love Korean products. They have a really good reputation for working well and having good ingredients. Always really excited to try them out and always happy to put Korean skincare on my face. And so far I've had a lot of success with it. Anyway, let's look at the first thing that's come in the box. So this is Sea Grape Marine Water Daily Toner. So obviously it's a toner. Nice big size, 270 ml. Let's have a quick look what it says on the card. The recommended retail price is $18.99, and I'm going to keep a little tally going right here just to see how it goes compared to the actual cost of the box. Last time, I think it was like around 60 bucks. So it was really good value. Now let's just do the smell test to see what it looks like. A beautiful bottle. That's what it looks like right here. It's got a seal on it, so that seal's come off. Oh my god, okay. It smells incredibly fresh. I can't even tell you what it smells like. It almost smells sweet cucumbery. And then like if cucumber and talcum powder got together and added sugar to it, that's what it kind of smells like. It smells really fresh and just definitely something that I'll be happy to put on my face. So yeah, that's the first thing I got. Very happy with that. I don't use toner that often, but I have started to use it recently, and I think it's definitely not a bad thing, that's for sure, especially as one gets older. All right, next thing. Okay, Mediflower Collagen Wrinkle Eye Cream. Definitely do with some of that. That's this one right here. Let's see what the packaging says. Recommended retail price is $11.99. It's a collagen wrinkle eye cream. Why we love it. This gentle brightening formula treats fine lines and dark circles. That's exactly what we want. How to use, apply appropriate amount to eye area. Okay, that's what the tube looks like inside. It says that it's for all skin types, age recovery, day-long hydration, proven to visibly improve the appearance of deep lines and wrinkles for younger looking skin. You have a smell test on this one. I have to say, it almost smells like going into a pharmacy or a chemist. Actually, more like a chemist. So it does smell a bit medicine-y, but not in a freakish way, in a kind of good way. It almost smells like it's got a little bit of menthol in it, which scares me because menthol on the eye would really sting. It does smell really nice though. I'd be really interested to try that. Obviously another full-size product. I think that's one thing I love about Beautique Monthly, is that all the products in it are full size. You're definitely getting good value for your money. All right, next thing is something that you could get one or the other of, and I was really hoping to get the other one, but I got this one, but that's okay. So the other one, like the packaging was absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this one here. And I was seeing other YouTubers sort of hold it and it lifted up against the camera and it looks so beautiful. It sucks I didn't get that one, but it's not the end of the world, it's all right. So the one that I got, I'm not even going to trying to pronounce it, is a cloud cream. These facial creams provide lightweight hydration without weighing skin down or feeling greasy. Fabulous. So that's what it looks like. Beautiful, nice, very matte finish, very smooth. Oh, I can already smell this. It's got a really strong smell. All right, I can see the cream consistency is very thick. Don't know if you can see that. Come on, focus. It's actually got a smell that you would expect night cream to smell like. Again, very fresh, almost something aromatherapy about it. Very nice, pleasant smell, and yeah, definitely something that I'd be happy to put on my face. So yeah, that's that one there. So I will definitely give that one a go. Next thing, this is Dead Sea Mineral Salts Body Soap. That's what that looks like right there. This one here retails for $7.99. Why we love it: Dead Sea minerals are full of magnesium, sodium and potassium that help improve skin's overall health and appearance. Star ingredients: Dead Sea salt. Cool. Use alone or with loofah soap pouch from the July 17 beauty box. Oh, I don't have that unfortunately, so. I have to say, I do always worry about using soap on my face or body because it dries the living crap out of it, but I don't know, maybe this one will be different. So it's in a little packet. Shoot, there goes my box. It does smell soapy, but it smells really nice. It smells incredibly clean and fresh. Oh, it smells really good. I'm looking forward to using it, but also a little bit cautious because yeah, I'm really hoping it doesn't dry out the skin. All right, next thing in my box. Actually, I might have to make some room here. 2 things to go, guys. The first one is an eye shade. This is so cute. Look at it. This one retails for $6.99. It's a penguin sleep eye mask. Super cute. I really like it. I'm not really an eye mask user, but I might try it. Why not? Let's see how I go. My room is pretty dark. I have black curtains in it to make sure that there's no light, so I should be fine. So maybe I'll end up giving it to someone as a present. We'll see. Either way, it's a super cute piece. So the last thing in my box is a Synergy Effector 3-step kit hydrating mask. Multi-hyaluronic acid. Oh, I always freak out when the word acid and skin are used in the same sentence. I really hope it doesn't sting the crap out of my face. I'm sure it wouldn't. Okay, why we love it. Wake up to glowing skin. This go-to kit contains a super hydrating eye cream and sleeping pack that nourish your skin while you sleep. Okay, so you put it on while you sleep. It's interesting. So you've got step 1, which is eye cream. Step 2, which is a sheet mask that you put on for 15 to 20 minutes. And then step 3 is a sleeping mask. So yeah, this looks pretty hardcore. So I'm really, really looking forward to trying this one out. I'll let you know how I go with this one. I'm not going to open it to do the smell test because I don't want it to dry out, but I'm super excited to try that out. Okay everyone, that concludes the boutique unboxing for the month of May. Very happy with the products inside. I really love the theme, like everything smells so fresh and clean, which is what you want when you put that sort of stuff on your skin. And yeah, overall very happy with the box. I was very happy with last month's box as well, and I've been using the products and I've been very happy with them. So I'm definitely looking forward to June's box, which will come at the start of July. Okay, so that concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it actually really, really helps. It tells me that you want to see these types of videos, but it really helps with views at the moment. Ever since YouTube changed its algorithm, I've noticed that my views have gone down significantly just because of the stupid bloody algorithm, which is very frustrating. So I know I'm not alone. A lot of YouTubers are sort of experiencing the hurt as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to bringing you my next video. Bye for now.